Uyabona imali mfethu, imali will do great things for you. Imali will do you great things. I urge you people to go there and work hard, earn more money. Money will work for you. Money will do the talking for you. Kungani ngisho nje yena ke? This is why. Uyabona la nganza kwethu, we all knew and we all believed ukuthi uSiyanda Ndlovu uSquish is going to Orlando Pirates. And there was no questions about it. He was going straight to Orlando Pirates. I think medical we say pass it when we pass medical Orlando Pirates. If I'm not mistaken, I can't be sure, but I think we say pass it when we pass. Bese kusho ukuthi abeke ipeni ephepheni. Bese kusho ukuthi abeke ipeni ephepheni. Guess what? Mamelodi Sundowns, boom, qam to Shofipi out of nowhere. Out of nowhere, they are now the favorites to sign uSiyanda Ndlovu. They are now the favorites to sign uSquish. If iSundowns imthatha uSquish, kusho ukuthi uApholisa akahambe. Because iPirates kube asho ukuthi uApholisa akahambe. Asho ukuthi uApholisa akahambe ngoba iSundowns isiyama favorites manje ingam announce noma yini kwakusasa ekseni ungavukisa imanouncile because they are now leading the race. Vele contract yakhe iqinile imnandi. Unemali yonke. West Party Sundowns inama bonus. Nqwabe ama bonus. So any player would wanna go there. But khona ubafothe mina amanga lento ukuthi abadlali abaningi baphima ngokuyodlala overseas. Uthi nje yakubona bonke abadlali abafisa ukudlala phesheya. Hey intweni ihlanyisa kodwa man.
Engikusho ku WhatsApp group ngizophinde ngikusho ungayiqambi ingane ungakayizali. Webafowethu ngiyavelela kule WhatsApp group le. So bafethu uNdlovu bengitshelwa nje kuthiwa iDiltano somdlalo weOrlando Pirates angihambe ngiyochecka yabo. And ngihambile bafethu ngayochecka ayikukho ngeke ngakuthola yabo. I think 3 weeks back if I'm not mistaken yabo. iPirates ize introduce nje amajita lawa aye 4 or 5 yabo ukuthi kanje asiwasayinile kwathi hayi uNdlovu uspecial bazomenzela yena eseyedwa yabo. But ngithengile mangibuke eRose kuma training ngiyambona uLontuzana uNdlovu bafowethu uSquish uyatraina yabo. Hayi ngingayikhulumi kakhulu yabo. Kuthe sekhamba uRele bafowethu ngase ngitshelwa kwathiwa kanjena njengoba khamba uRele vele uNdlovu uyena replacement kaRele. But namhlanje ngishocked uma ngibona kuthiwa iMamelodi Sundowns are the favorite to sign iwinga le Lamontville Golden Arrows okuSiyanda Ndlovu. Webafowethu ungayiqambi ingane ungakayizali. Mapakapaka bafowethu it will be my first time in history of ifootball yala eLontuzaneni eSouth Africa iOrlando Pirates igcine nje ngamaRoma ukuthi iyamfuna lo mdlalo lo yabo. And mase wenwenye team kuyaqala bafuthu kuyobe kuqala ukwenzeka ngathi kuyaqala kuzobe kuqala ukwenza makuthiwa kuyogcina kwenzakalini. But ke bafowethu mina I will wait for this news until tomorrow yabo. Then ngiyazi ukuthi kanje lapho ke uNdlovu uyakulephi ilo iqembu. But for now it looks like uNdlovu uya kwiMamelodi Sundowns yabo. Kodwa iOrlando Pirates ngiyayazi mina bafuthu ukuthi akuyona ile team le egcina ngamaRoma. iOrlando Pirates iyamsayina umdlali. But mapakapaka ama-fans awo bafowethu Musani kulokhane nithi ama-Diltano yabo. Ningenzi njengabalandeli bontaba kayikhonja bavele behambe beku-Facebook bofa kuthiwa yiDiltano yabo. Because bafowethu thina sobuya nje kunini. And ngisaya kule group leya hayi mina bafowethu angikhathalele kuthenjwa ngiyaya kule group leya ngiyoshaya ama voice note a 6 minutes.
It is alleged that Squishy was at Orlando Pirates. Spent time with the players there, was getting, enrolled into everything Orlando Pirates, to somehow leaving Orlando Pirates now and seeming to be heading to Kloorkop at the moment. Lawrence, what do you make of Squishy? I spoke to a Sundowns legend who said, hey, I worry about how he fits in that position and whether he plays or not on that right wing. But also, it almost answers the Thapelo Maseko question then.
Yeah, it does. Look, I mean, Squishy is a player that Sundowns have definitely been following, as well as Tabang Matuludi. So I think both those two players have been subject of interest of both Chiefs, Pirates and Sundowns for this window. So it'll be interesting where the second player ends up. But yeah, look, he's a very versatile player. And one thing that he has is pace. He's a very explosive player, and there's no substitute for that. And it's something that, Sundowns always need, especially in continental, going forward into continental challenges next season. He can play off the left, he can play off the right, he can play as a false nine. And look, I mean, it's somebody that Mangoba Mwiti, advocated to actually go to Europe
He did. He said he shouldn't stay in South Africa. Yeah.
Yeah, he said he's got that ability to go much further in his career and not just, he said, and I quote, take a bus to Gauteng. So look, that shows that he's got tremendous potential, and he's somebody that can definitely, make it at Sundowns and push for that starting 11 places.
So it seems like move Siyanda Ndlovu to Orlando Pirates Bafethu might not be happening. So it's been reported Bafethu that Siyanda Ndlovu and Orlando Pirates couldn't agree on personal terms. In other words, Bafethu le package Orlando Pirates offerisha Siyanda Ndlovu. Siyanda Ndlovu is not happy with it, Bafethu. And guess what? Mamelodi Sundowns are looking to pounce on the signing of Siyanda Ndlovu. Bafethu, there was a club-to-club agreement between the Orlando Pirates and the Golden Arrows, right? Siyanda Ndlovu, he flew to Joburg and wayenza kahle i-medical yakhe last week eMayfair. But when it comes to personal terms, that's where the two parties could not agree. Now Mamelodi Sundowns Bafethu are the club that want to make an offer to Golden Arrows and want to give him a better package, Bafethu. I did not see this one happening because, Bafethu, according to me, I thought it was done Bafethu between the Orlando Pirates and the Golden Arrows. Bengitshelile ukuthi Siyanda Ndlovu is moving to Orlando Pirates, right? Now this news Bafethu, I'm surprised that they couldn't meet on personal terms. And Mamelodi Sundowns Bafethu, unfortunately, they do have the money. Those people that can offer that boy the money that he wants, right? And maybe personal terms, it might not only be in terms of money, also maybe the length of the contract. Maybe there's a lot of things that are in personal terms between a club and a player. But Bafethu, the news are Mamelodi Sundowns are looking to pounce on the signature of Siyanda Ndlovu after Orlando Pirates couldn't meet the personal terms between Bona no Siyanda Ndlovu. Salute Bafethu.
Yabona Bafethu, iSundowns seyithatha izinto personal manje. Nithatha izinto personal too much manje. I understand ukuthi iPirates ithathile league, ithatha treble. I understand ukuthi nifuna ukudefend iCAF. Mara guys, you really want both these players? Guys, Sundowns is pushing to get Ribeiro back. They are pushing and they're now trying to overtake you. Guys, if this happens, guys, mara Sundowns, mara Luna, mara likwatele ingi hakana, likwatele ingi Squishy Ribeiro lo mfana ufuna ukubuya futhi lo muntu azosihlukumeza futhi lo guys, Pirates moshila ukwini treble nekwatisile Sundowns and ifuna nokudefend, ifuna ukuthatha kwasani la eSouth Africa, iphinde idefend neCAF yayo, iphinde win ama Super Cup nama what intercontinental, ayifuna ukushiya nix yo.